Good morning. Once again, I'm coming to you from San Diego, California. Today I'm at Seaport Village. Some shopping, some dining. Let's go check it out. Let's go make some memories. One of the stores they have here is called Hot Licks. We actually just purchased some stuff in there. They were called gator toes. I believe they're similar to corn nuts. We got those for my brother-in-law. He likes spicy. Oh, it's just a little shopping area. Hat shop. Crazy shirts. Ooh, a flag store. There's a store here called Alamo Flags. Look at all the stuff they have here. Look at all this stuff. Hi. I love the spinners. I like these. Wow, look at all these. That's too cool. You even got more over on this side too. You can customize any of your flags there as well. You can get your name printed on your last name printed on your flag if you want. Pretty cool. This is too cute, the little sloth. They sold license plates in there too from several states, which was kind of a nice touch. Oh my god, it's my buddy from Long John Silver's. It's my buddy from Long John Silver's. How you doing, my friend? Blackbeard, the fortune teller.
The pirate be waiting for you, me matey. Don't be leaving without hearing me treasured wisdom.
Hey, Santa. Still watching the channel, I hope, Santa. Keep in touch. And there's a sports store over here. Plenty of Dodgers and Padres merch. And over on this side, there's a body care store. Harley Davidson store. I'm not seeing any of my teams up there. Too far away from home. Alright, so also here there's a store called The Jungle inside. There's a safari animal collection, which the family's in right now. There's a magnet store. There's a nice beautiful fountain here in the center. Wind song, which is bells, chimes, and mobiles. That's pretty cool. America's Heroes store. Sock Harbor. Those of you who like to wear dressy socks, which I work with a couple that do. Oh, hello, Marilyn. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel there, Marilyn. Keep it up. There's a nice mural on the wall back here. This is Seaport Village. See if I can kind of center myself a little better here. Seaport Village, San Diego, California. That's pretty. I'm not quite sure what's back that way. And I'm looking back this way. Louisiana Charlie's. This looks like it might be under renovations. And there's an old historic carousel. I'm gonna have to walk over there in a second. And this is a kids store here. Kids Opera, it's called. Interesting. San Diego Pigeon, where are you going? Hey, did you subscribe to the channel, buddy? Pigeon, will you tell your friends, spread the word? Yeah, and I got your attention, yeah. Will you subscribe to our channel and tell all your bird friends? Tell everyone? Huh? Yeah? Don't forget to hit that like button too. Oh, here comes another friend over here. Here's another one. Oh, who's that? Right here's the Edgewater Bar and Grill. So just behind the Edgewater Bar and Grill is the edge of the water. Let's go back here and check it out. Alright. And then in the distance here, I'm going to zoom in. That back there, that bridge that you see up there, right there, that is the bridge that takes you out to Coronado Island, which is right over there on the other side of the bay here. There's a Marriott Hotel. Let me stay sitting there. There's a Hyatt, which I believe is both of these two buildings that you see here. I think are both part of the Hyatt. When we drove by, that's how it was looking. Here's our view out here. Edgewater Bar and Grill. I don't know what the menu looks like, but they have a good location to come and eat. Can't beat this view. There's a little park area also over in this area. Alright, let's go see what else we can find.
When it comes to stuff like that, because I don't like getting very cute. Let's try that one.
So there was a Bloody Mary.
Want to try it?
No. And no rum runner.
She's breading, yeah, she's doing all the butter. Someone go get another plate.
Large ceviche,
Here.
a margarita flatbread, and a sourdough bread to share.
Flagship tour boat of some sort. Not quite sure where it's heading to or heading from. It might be heading back to downtown San Diego, probably. Maybe from Coronado.
Paul's got that new phone, I know.
Some more of the food options here at the Seaport Village. A fudge factory. Margarita place back over there. A burger place directly back that way. And then there's an old historic carousel here. Interesting. Let's see the history of the carousel. Oh wow, 1895, it was in Texas. Then I went to Santa Monica, Washington State, Portland, Oregon. National Register of Historic Places. Burbank, California, and then since 2004 it's been here in San Diego. A little view here of the old historic carousel. Alright guys, well this wraps up our visit here to the Seaport Village in San Diego. We had a really good lunch. We had some shrimp ceviche, we had some loaf of sourdough bread, which was excellent, and a margarita flatbread. Everything was really good. Views were awesome from that restaurant. Highly recommend that restaurant. Grab a quick bite for lunch. No, we had a good time. Daughter went on the little carousel and we did some shopping and walking around and had a good afternoon here in San Diego. Alright, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're subscribed, thanks for watching. If not, hit that subscribe button down below. Leave us a comment as well. And we will see you down the road, and we will see you soon.